Hello, let's start by making a cap. For the cap, let's make two lines and join with curves. After that, let's make a semicircle. After that, make a small another semicircle but almost a circle. Then two curves for the cheeks. Now we are going to make its muffler. The side of a muffler and the lines with it in the muffler. After that, let's make the other sides of the muffler when it is rolled in your neck. How it looks? It looks like the same way in the cap. Now we make its hands, stomach and feet. The penguin looks cute with the muffler. The inner face of the penguin. Now the eyes, doodle eyes, looks cute. Leaving space for two small circles, but one seems to be filled. Now let's color black as the penguin is black, white and has yellow feet. Now let's color the cap orange. We can use any color we like to. It can be blue, it can be red, it can be any color. And let's match the cap with the muffler so that it seems like, combined, like a set. Now let's color the feet yellow. How do we spell penguin? Penguin. Penguin. Bye kids. Have a nice day.